Here we are, Bradenton, Florida, and today the family does Coquina Beach. What do you think, girls? How's the sand here?
It's like soft.
Super soft. We're used to going to like Sanibel or something where the beach is made out of seashells. This is a lot more powdery. I don't know if your shell and shoes were necessary today, Hall.
Well, the water might be more shallow.
See how warm it is, girls. Colin, how warm is it? You tell me what you think, George.
You do it. You go. Well, not like cold.
Oh, it's super warm.
No, it's not like freezing, but it's not cold to the point where it's like, oh. It's like just like cold.
It's not shockingly cold.
I know it's not shockingly freezing. Yeah, it's enjoyable. It's like cool bath.
Yeah, it's like bath water that's gotten cool.
It's nice. I like the soft sand.
Sand is nice, I'm gonna admit. A happy, what is it Bob Ross says? A happy little mistake or something?
He says happy little trees.
Happy little trees. There's no happy little trees
little
here.
accident.
A happy little accident. That's exactly right. Yeah. So it's kind of, oh, I think I see fish already in the water. There they are. There's sheep heads in the water. I can see them from here. Oh, we got to get our masks out, girls. There's already fish in the water. Yeah. Not a jewelry. No, it's jewelry.
It was in the shape of a peak.
taking a picture?
No, I'm taking a video. What do you think of the beach we discovered?
I really like it.
What's it called again? Coquina?
Coquina
Beach. It's just on Anna Maria Island. Just outside of Bradenton. Our, what was it called? Bob Russ does our happy
little accident.
Our happy little accident.
Why it was an accident?
Yeah, we were intended to go back to Casperson Beach today, and we kept going straight instead of turning to go south, and we just decided that we were going to shoot straight over here instead of taking the extra time driving south, and I'm really glad we did. It's really nice. It's a big wide beach, ample parking. The sand is so soft. The water was clear. Up by the parking area, there's a bunch of Australian pines, a very nice picnic area. It's got a little cafe down the way. What else? Little restrooms. Little multi-use path that runs the length of
They
it.
got a snack stand.
That's, yeah, the little cafe snack stand. We haven't tried that. We might have to grab something here in a few minutes. But it's a pretty nice little beach that we just kind of happened upon. We've been wanting to come over here for years and we never have. And I guess today was the day. What are you making? What is that? A plesiosaur?
Oh Lord. That's a good little big hole that the water fills into.
Why'd you build a big hole? Is it a trap for a plesiosaur? Oh no! Oh! I saw your plesiosaur just in the nick of time. Fill your hole in.